back to my YouTube channel. So today we are baking. Back to the kitchen, I missed doing cooking videos and today we are back. So I'll be making an orange cake. So let's dive right into the video.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
I have 3 oranges because I want to make a big cake. So let's do that. Sure that your oranges are clean, and then you can dice them into very small cubes. Be sure to remove any seeds or hard skin parts that are on the oranges. I don't skin my oranges because I like the zest, the way it tastes after being baked, so it adds a really nice taste to the cake. You can choose to totally crush the orange zest with your blender or not. So my other ingredients, first I'm going to measure 1 cup of sugar, that's 250 grams, and then I'm going to beat the eggs in there. So in this case I used 5 eggs, and lastly 180 ml of oil, or you can use butter. I'll set this mixture to blend as I measure out my salad ingredients. So I'm using self-raising flour and atta. So I'll have 3 cups of flour, 2 self-raising flour and 1 cup atta flour. I like mixing the two, and sometimes I actually love using atta alone. It's upon you. Then the last ingredient I'm gonna add here is the baking powder. So I have to add 1 tablespoon. I don't know whether it's tablespoon or teaspoon. I'm gonna correct that. Okay, then give it a shake. You're sieving to remove large particles of flour, and give it a little bit of a mix so that the dry ingredients mix well together. This step, I'm mixing my liquid ingredients from the blender and the solid ingredients together in a mixer, and then your batter is ready for baking. For some of you who have electric cookers, this is an easy step for you. You just turn on some knobs and your oven is ready, set. But for me, I have to light up the gas oven, which is a bit expensive at this moment. This might be the last baking video of this year. Okay, no, it shall happen better. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pour my cake batter into my baking tin. I thank God I found this glass baking tin. It's nice. It is really nice. So I pour there and then put it in the oven. Set my timer to 30 minutes and wait. So enjoy, guys. The smell, the scent this cake brought into the house. It was everything. It was everything. I hope you try this and let me know. Minutes are up, so let's check whether our cake is okay. I'm gonna use the chopsticks, so I use them for almost everything. Yeah, you just prick and then check whether there is anything. There is nothing, so my cake is ready and we are ready for her. So I'm just gonna put it here for it to cool down before we enjoy these with some yogurt or some milk. Yep, it is looking delicious. It is smelling nice. You guys, when you try a home-baked orange cake, let me know. Tag me on my socials kama kawaida on the description box. Follow me. Let us engage about food, about hair, about everything in life. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Please enjoy this delicacy. If you've baked with me, then you might be eating physically. If you've not, kula kwa macho, I'm sorry. Next time you're welcome to my place. Have a nice time. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please share this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Bye bye.